Quick tips.
Let's talk tombstone installation. Say, that's a dope tombstone you made. Just one question. How are you going to secure it into the ground? You know what the weather can be like in Michigan in October. Not pretty. That's why I suggest you pick up an Hbracket sign holder from Lowe's for $1.38. You can use these for such things as garage sale signs. First, we're going to cut it in half. That's a 2-for-1 deal, kid. Next, we mark our spot on the bottom of the tombstone. Now let's pre-drill our holes for easier installation. Now it's time to grab that hot glue gun. Add some hot glue to the pre-drilled holes. Now let's get that Hbracket installed. It fits great. We don't need this tag. The professional term of this next step is to hot glue the crap out of the Hbracket. Allow it time to dry, and it becomes quite sturdy. Now let's install it into the ground, and you're ready for Halloween. Great job, champ.
Pro tips.
Always remember, when your child asks you to spell I-cup, it's just because they want to hear you say I-C-U-P.
Peace,